So I'm supposed to move this giant tree without a hitch? Yeah, that's happening. Here's how we do it in 3 steps. Step 1. Carefully dig around the root ball, keeping it intact. We are relocating, not uprooting a weed. Step 2. Gently lift and transport the tree to its new home. Perfect time to appreciate nature's wonders. Final step. Replant and water it like you actually care about the environment. Boom! Instant landscape transformation. No sweat required. Y'all see this? Use code GREEN20 for a nice discount. Or keep struggling with your garden, your choice.